I'm Joe Penich, and today I'm tying a Hazel Bomber, a classic Atlantic salmon dry fly. The hook is a Partridge salmon hook, size 2, 2x long. The thread I'm using for the tail and body is a Semperfli nano silk 12/0. Start the thread right where the body meets the wing area, wrap along the entire length of the hook, even with the point, and trim the excess. Next, add the gray fox for the tail. Prepare it, stack and comb it out. Tie it in and make a wrap underneath the tail and secure. Next, tie in the first saddle hackle, folded from underneath the hook. Then add the second hackle in the same spot. Secure the tail and the hackle with wire, about 6 to 8 wraps. Next, add your clumps of caribou hair. Each clump is the diameter of a pencil. Add each clump, one in front of the other, and compress. I added altogether 7 clumps. Tie off, with finish, and trim. Next, use scissors with a long blade and trim around the perimeter of the body. Next, use scissors with a thin blade to trim around the tail at an angle to get the rough shape. Next, use curved scissors to trim the shape. Next, I use a razor blade broken in half to trim excess hair and to shape the finished body. Then touch it up with scissors for any uneven spots. Undo the wire. For the wing area, I'm using Semperfli Nano Silk 18/0 white. Next, wrap the first hackle at the same angle and evenly spaced and secured by the stem and trim. Then follow with the second hackle and secure and trim. Next, tie in the wing, secure, and trim flush with the body. Secure the wing from behind and in front of the wing. Split the wing evenly and wrap in between and around the base of each wing. Next, tie in the 3 folded hackles by the tip behind the wings, then tie in the 4th hackle by the butt.